اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك.
The sisters' clothing will be normal as per normal days. They will wear normal clothes, they will cover themselves. The only exception would be that they will not be allowed to cover their hands. They are not allowed to wear gloves and not to cover their face. Now, in the situation of sisters following an opinion where they have to cover their face in front of non-mahram, people who are not related to, and they are fearful of the fact that they want to cover up. In that case, they cannot wear a niqab which they can tie. It is mentioned, the scholars mention, that they will use part of their hijab and then drop down the hijab in front of their face. That will be allowed for them to do.
والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك اللهم لبيك.